Hello everyone, welcome to Exam Coach. Why 24th April is celebrated as National Panchayati Raj Day? So this is the topic which I'm going to discuss in my today's video. I will also discuss the two web portals which are launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 24th April 2020. In 1992, India took a landmark step towards decentralization by introducing 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments. 73rd আৰু 74th constitutional amendmenটৰ জৰিয়তে 1992 ইণ্ডিয়াই ডিসেন্ট্ৰেলাইজেশনৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এটা ঐতিহাসিক পদক্ষেপ লৈছিল, which provided constitutional status to the Panchayati Raj institution and urban local bodies respectively. Our 73rd or 74th constitutional amendment or জৰিয়তে Panchayati Raj institution আৰু urban local bodies সাংবিধানিক মৰ্যাদা প্ৰদান কৰা হৈছিল। 73rd constitutional amendment came into force on 24th April 1993. 73rd constitutional amendment to বলবৎ হৈছিল 24th April 1993 পৰা। In 2010, our former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh কৈছিলে যে this day, that means 24th April, should be celebrated as National Panchayati Raj Day in order to mark in India's transition towards decentralization. So Dr. Manmohan Singh কৈছিল যে 24th April to Panchayati Raj Day হিচাপে celebrate কৰিব লাগে। ইণ্ডিয়াৰ যেটো landmark step আছিল towards decentralizationৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত। আৰু তেতিয়া 2010ৰ পৰা 24th April to Panchayati Raj Day হিচাপে celebrate কৰা হয়। The first National Panchayati Raj Day was celebrated in 2010. সেইকাৰণে 24th April to Panchayati Raj Day হিচাপে celebrate কৰা হয়। আৰু 74th constitutional amendment that came into force on 1st June 1993. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched eGram Swaraj and Shaumitwa Yojana, the two web portals for accelerating the pace of development in India's village on Panchayati Raj Day 24th April 2020. Panchayati Raj Day 24th April 2020 Prime Minister Narendra Modi eGram Swaraj আৰু Shaumitwa Yojana দুটা web portal launch কৰিছিল for Indian villager কাৰণে। Now what is eGram Swaraj app? This app will provide panchayats a single interface to complete development projects. The app will help in accelerating projects in village from planning to completion. এই এপটোৰ জৰিয়তে it is a step to make gram panchayat digital. এই এপটোৰ জৰিয়তে গ্ৰাম পঞ্চায়তকে digitize কৰিব। This will provide information from planning of the projects to its completion. আৰু এই এপটোৰ জৰিয়তে কোনটা প্ৰজেক্টৰ প্লেনিংৰ পৰা completionলৈকে information provide কৰিব, and this in turn will bring transparency and speed up the work of the project. আৰু ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে কি হ'ব, ট্ৰান্সপাৰেন্সি এটা আহিব আৰু প্ৰজেক্টৰ কামৰ অগ্ৰগতি হেতু স্পীড আপ কৰা হ'ব। আৰু biggest advantage to হৈছে এপটোৰ কি, the biggest advantage of this will be that every person in village will know about the development project and money spent on it. আৰু এই এপটোৰ জৰিয়তে এতিয়া গাঁৱৰ মানুহে গম পাব যে ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্ৰজেক্টটোত কিমান মানি খৰচ হৈ স্পেন্ট হৈছে, তো বা ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্ৰজেক্টৰ বিষয়ে মানুহবিলাকে গম পাব যে কেনেকৈ হৈ আছে, কি হৈ আছে, গোটেইখিনি কি ট্ৰান্সপাৰেন্ট হৈ যাব। The eGram Swaraj can be used by Gram Panchayat to prepare and execute their respective development plans. It will help in coordination of all three tiers, that is Zila Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat and Gram Panchayat. আৰু eGram Panchayaতৰ জৰিয়তে গ্ৰাম পঞ্চায়তে তেওঁলোকৰ যিবিলাক ৰেসপেক্টিভ ডেভেলপমেন্ট প্লেনছ আছে সেইবিলাক প্ৰিপেয়াৰ কৰিব, এক্সিকিউট কৰিব। আৰু ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা থ্ৰী টায়াৰ যেটো আমাৰ গ্ৰাম পঞ্চায়ত, তালুক পঞ্চায়ত, জিলা পৰিষদ আছে, গোটেইকেইটাৰ মাজত কি হ'ব, কোঅৰ্ডিনেশ্যন আহিব। This app will also help the central and the state government to monitor and execute of this project. Or ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে central বা state government এই projectবোৰ monitor কৰিব পাৰিব, execute কৰিব পাৰিব, and it will also help them to hold grass institution accountable for the execution of this plan. আৰু ইয়াৰ জৰিয়তে কি হ'ব, গ্ৰাম পঞ্চায়ত কি হ'ব, accountable হ'ব for the execution of this plan. Now, what is Swamitva Yojana? Swamitva Yojana will use drones in mapping of properties in village. This will help in reducing dispute over property. Swamitva Yojanar জৰিয়তে mapping কৰিব গাঁৱৰ property বিলাকে, আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে তেওঁলোকে যিটো technology use কৰিব সেইটো হৈছে drone. This scheme has been launched for the purpose of measuring and documenting residual properties in the rural areas. Under the scheme, the details of the property falling under the boundary of each village will be collected with the help of drones. Goটেই property to mapping বা documentation to drone সহায়ত কৰিব, and after that people will be provided with the documents related to their property, আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ property লগত related documents বোৰ তেওঁলোকক provide কৰা হ'ব. The biggest advantage of the Swamitva Yojana is that people will also be able to use their assets financially, and this means that residential properties of village will also be able to get their loans. আৰু ইয়াৰ দ্বাৰা villageৰ মানুহবিলাকে residential propertiesৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত কি loan পাব, যেনেকৈ cityত পায়, on তেওঁলোকৰ minimum documentsৰ ওপৰত, and the assets can be free from all illegal occupation. So these are the two web portals which were launched by the Prime Minister on Panchayati Raj Day this year 2020. I hope you will like this session, and with this I take your leave. Thank you.